Am I the only one that didn't know YouTube is the second largest search engine? Well, let's find out why it's such a big deal. YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's a whole universe of creativity, learning and entertainment. With over 2 billion users logging in each month, it's the place where anyone can share their passions and connect with the world. From DIY tutorials and gaming walkthroughs to cooking shows and vlogs, there's something for everyone. Plus, it's the perfect way to learn new skills, discover new interests and even make a living. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Your smartphone and a little creativity are all it takes. So, whether you're looking to share your talents, grow a community or just have some fun, YouTube is your go-to platform. Ready to join the adventure? Hit that record button and let the magic begin.